Top 10 passive income ideas to make money online in 2025. As the digital economy evolves, more people are exploring passive income options to build wealth while maintaining their freedom and flexibility. Passive income is not necessarily income that requires no work. Rather, it's revenue that continues to be generated after an initial effort, requiring little to no ongoing effort to maintain. In 2025, digital platforms, automation tools, and various online opportunities have made it easier than ever to set up passive income streams. Here are the top 10 passive income ideas for 2025. 1. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing remains one of the most lucrative passive income opportunities. This model allows you to earn commissions by promoting products or services from companies like Amazon, ClickBank, and ShareASale. It's especially effective if you already have a blog, social media following, or email list, as you can seamlessly promote affiliate products to your audience. Affiliate marketing success comes from understanding your audience's needs and recommending products they will find useful. Content that works well for affiliate links includes product reviews, comparison articles, and tutorial videos. The advantage is that once you've created content with affiliate links, it can continue to drive sales and earn you commissions long term. 2. Dividend stocks and ETFs. Investing in dividend-paying stocks or ETFs is a traditional but reliable passive income strategy. Companies that offer dividends pay shareholders a portion of their profits regularly, typically quarterly, which can provide a steady income stream. For those seeking a diversified portfolio, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, that focus on dividend stocks are also an excellent option. Dividend stocks are ideal for those looking to build wealth gradually as they offer a lower risk compared to speculative investments. You can reinvest dividends to compound your gains or withdraw them as a source of regular income. ETFs can spread your investments across various sectors, helping to mitigate risks. 3. Rental income from short-term rentals. Thanks to platforms like Airbnb and Vrbo, property owners can rent out their space for short stays, making rental income an increasingly popular passive income source. With the rise of remote work and digital nomads, there's a high demand for flexible short-term accommodations. If you have an extra room or property in a desirable location, you can generate rental income by listing it online. While some level of management is needed, such as cleaning and communication with guests, much of the process can be automated through the platform. Short-term rentals tend to generate higher returns than traditional long-term rentals, especially in high-demand areas. 4. Peer-to-peer P2P lending. Peer-to-peer P2P lending platforms connect borrowers with investors willing to fund loans in exchange for interest payments. By lending money on P2P platforms like Lending Club or Prosper, you can earn returns that are typically higher than those offered by savings accounts or bonds. However, keep in mind that this investment carries some risk as borrowers may default. With P2P lending, your earnings will come from interest payments made by borrowers. This income can be passive, as you can spread your investment across different loans to mitigate risk, allowing you to earn a return without constantly monitoring the platform. 5. Create and sell online courses. The e-learning industry is growing rapidly, and online courses offer a great way to make passive income by sharing your knowledge. If you're skilled in a particular field, such as marketing, coding, or graphic design, consider creating a course and selling it on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare. Although creating a high-quality course requires upfront time and effort, once it's published, you can earn income as people enroll. You can maximize earnings by promoting your course on social media and updating content periodically to keep it relevant. With the right marketing strategy, a popular course can become a significant source of passive income. 6. Digital products and printables. Selling digital products such as templates, printables, or ebooks is an excellent way to earn passive income. Unlike physical products, digital products can be created once and sold repeatedly, as they don't require inventory or shipping. Etsy, Gumroad, and Shopify are popular platforms for selling digital products, and you can find demand for products in various niches, from budgeting templates to meal planners and even educational guides. Printables are especially popular as they offer customers value at an affordable price while providing sellers with a stream of income. For example, if you're skilled at graphic design, you could create a series of printable planners or digital art and sell them to a worldwide audience. 7. Create a YouTube channel. YouTube provides a unique way to earn passive income through ad revenue, affiliate marketing, and even merchandise sales. Once your channel is monetized and has a consistent viewership, your videos can generate passive income as long as people continue watching them. The platform's diversity means you can create content on virtually any topic, whether it's tech reviews, travel vlogs, personal finance, or cooking tutorials. To monetize your channel, you'll need to reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within the past 12 months, after which you can start earning from ads. Consistently creating valuable and engaging content can attract a loyal audience and help increase your revenue. 8. Royalties from ebooks and self-publishing. The popularity of ebooks has made self-publishing a viable income stream. With platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, and Ingram Spark, it's easier than ever to publish and distribute ebooks. Royalties from ebook sales can provide a passive income stream as your book continues to sell long after it's published. Self-publishing gives you full creative control and higher royalty rates than traditional publishing. Whether you write fiction, nonfiction, or instructional guides, a well-marketed ebook can generate substantial royalties over time. 9. Mobile app development. If you have programming skills, developing a mobile app can be a great passive income opportunity. Apps in high-demand categories such as productivity, health, and finance can generate significant revenue through ads, in-app purchases, or premium upgrades. Once your app is live and popular, it can generate income passively as users engage with it. The mobile app market is highly competitive, so focus on creating an app with a unique and valuable user experience. Consider hiring a developer if you don't have programming skills, as the investment may pay off in the form of long-term passive income. 10. Automated dropshipping store. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products online without holding inventory. When customers place orders, the supplier ships the product directly to them. Setting up a dropshipping store requires an initial investment in setting up a website, but it can become a passive income stream once it's automated. Automation tools like Shopify and Oberlo make it possible to manage a dropshipping store with minimal effort. You'll need to invest in marketing, but with a streamlined process, dropshipping can become a hands-off source of income. Passive income has become more accessible than ever thanks to the internet and digital platforms. From affiliate marketing and dividend stocks to self-publishing and YouTube, there are numerous ways to earn online income in 2025. Each of these ideas requires an initial investment of time, money, or both, but once set up, they can bring in regular income with little ongoing effort. Choosing the right passive income source depends on your skills, interests, and resources. Experiment with one or several ideas, and you could be well on your way to achieving financial independence. Start small, remain consistent, and enjoy the freedom and security that passive income can bring. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.